What's up, y'all? Today is Tuesday, August the 25th. Man, I ain't gonna lie, August shot by fast. So anyway, we're out here in Suwanee, Georgia. This is a new client, Natalie. I came out about 2 weeks ago. She was getting some work, she had a lot of contractors out here. And that was the day I had my ride along. Igor, who's actually gotten 2 screener recoats since he's went back. So what we're gonna be doing today, guys, is our least used process, but it is definitely beneficial for these type of floors. Now, honestly, the floors could have used a good screen and recoat, but they're not too bad, and plus they're on a timeline. Because yesterday we came out here to do the job and they wouldn't let us in the gate. She actually had Christian actually came out and moved a lot of furniture off the floors for us for yesterday. But for some reason, they didn't have us on the list to get in the neighborhood. So without all the confusion, we rescheduled for today. And then I still got to go into the city after this and do 2 in-home consultations. So with that being said, guys, we got over 3,600 square feet cleaning buff. The stairs are going to be Tavares is going to be pulling the carpet off the stairs. So he has handyman skills, so he know how to do a lot of stuff. So with that being said, let me flip this around and show you what we got going. All right, guys, so we're going to be doing here, all of this. Some wide plank oak floors here. Here, Tavares is just dry mopping right now. Here, I'm going to be using my True Neutral here. Like I said, the floors are not bad. I do see little micro scratches here and there. But overall, guys, the floors are not bad. And what was funny is there was another job that we did in Brookhaven, almost identical to this house earlier this year. And it was a referral from her mom, because I did her mom's wood floors. And I sent Natalie that video, and she was like, yeah, that's exactly what I want. So he's going to pull the carpet off these stairs right here, because she said she's going to actually put another carpet back down. So he's already pulled it. Then we're going to be doing down here. We have another service provider here with us. Here, all of this, you get some light on here. So you guys see, this is a big house. Now, one thing about me, guys, I love looking at these big, nice, beautiful homes. I could not stay in a house like this. It's just too big, just too big. I'd be scared someone was in my house, I wouldn't even know it. Here, so I see here, guys, see like those little light scuff marks, but sometimes those will buff out when we buff them. What it does, the buffer just kind of heats it up and resets the finish. So all of this, that's I just met Francisco. He's doing some electrical work all through here, and all through here. All right, guys. The floor is going to be nice and clean when we're done. And like I said, after this, I'm going to shoot up to into the city. I got 2 consults. All right, guys, stay tuned.
He rolled into town when the daylight was low. Dust on his boots from a long winding road. Old hat leaning and a heart made of gold. Folks round here still remember him so. Old Truman, old Truman, hear that lonesome whistle blow. Old Truman, old Truman, where he's headed, no one knows. With steady hands and a soul so true, When the sun sinks down and the cool wind blows, you can hear them singing.
All right, guys, we are done. Look at these floors. That clean and buffing was perfect for these floors. Look at this, man. All the contractors are just walking through like, wow, like they can't believe it. Actually, my client is out of the country, but she was keeping a communication with me. So when they're not here, I do have it in my agreement that the invoice must be paid before we leave the premises, and she just paid her invoice for this job. And man, that looks amazing. Shout out to my guy Tavares. He removed the carpet and the but they're going to put new carpet back down because she said we have kids and dogs, so they're going to put another carpet back down. All right, let's go upstairs. Man, since I've been dropping weight over the years, I can really get upstairs faster. Oh, look at that, guys. It's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. So again, this was just a clean and buff, and you can see contractors can get back on the floors. So clean and buff. Beautiful. All right, guys, I just booked the job for Thursday. I want to take off tomorrow on purpose because I think my car is going to be ready tomorrow. And had a client put wax on his floors, and he actually called me for some tips. And then he just called me today and said, you know what, Courtney, I ain't got time to be fooling with this. When can you fit me in? So we're gonna go take care of Mr. John on Thursday. And so we're about to go into the city now, probably grab a little lunch. And all right, guys, I'm going to knock out these 2 consultations. See you in the next one.